Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You'll begin inside the worksheet you want to alter. First, click the View tab and turn off grid lines so you see immediate results on screen. Once done, switch to page layout if you plan to print. Uncheck Print under grid lines to prevent lines from appearing on paper. Make sure to save your workbook after this initial change so you don't lose it. These steps remove the visual grid quickly while keeping cell boundaries available for selection and formulas. Next, you'll refine how the sheet looks by replacing grid lines with intentional visuals. If you need a clean white canvas, use fill color set to white for blocks of cells. This masks remaining faint lines. Alternatively, apply thin borders only where you want clear cell separation so the sheet reads better. If you prefer design, add a sheet background image to cover the grid visually, but note backgrounds don't print. Combine with borders or print settings for physical copies. To finish, always check Print Preview to ensure grid lines are gone both on screen and in print. If grid lines still appear, make sure Print Grid Lines is unchecked on each worksheet and update or reselect your printer driver. Sometimes drivers force faint lines. As a safeguard, save the sheet as a PDF to lock the appearance across computers. If you hit unexpected lines, try toggling grid lines off and on, then resaving. That often clears residual display artifacts.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.